Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ken. Glad to see you. On this first official video, I was thinking about what I could talk about, and I figured I would share a mistake that I made years ago on eBay that I've never made since because I learned from it, but maybe it'll help you not to make this mistake. Okay, I was outsourcing. This is when I was just selling anything that would sell on eBay when I was brand new to eBay. I wasn't in a niche market like I am now in postcards, but I was out at a local thrift store, and I came across these rocks, these designer, hand-painted, handcrafted, artistic rocks. Okay, they were real rocks. They were about this big, I guess, and I came across them, and I guess they were getting rid of them because they were trying to sell them off for $1 each, and they had like 10 of them. And I looked at them, and I go, this is really cool. I mean, people could just, put these, because they were for home and office decor, and I'm into that kind of stuff. So I thought, people could put these on their mantles, on their desks, in their bedrooms, anywhere, in their bathroom, anywhere. So I just went ahead and bought all 10 without doing any research. I didn't check the comps. I didn't even see if there was a market to sell these. I've just figured in my head that these were really cool. Big mistake, okay? Because what ended up happening is I threw them in my eBay store, and they sat in my eBay store for a year. And guess how many I sold? 0. I didn't sell one rock. At first I didn't understand why, because my keywords were good, my photographs were excellent, my descriptions were fine, my price was good. Looking back, I think it's because of the shipping cost. Because they were heavier than normal, they weighed about 5 pounds because they're solid rocks. I ended up going with calculated shipping on eBay, and that's where the shipping is based on where a person lives according to their zip code, based on the weight and the distance and everything, but according to the zip code. And I think it ended up being like $12 to ship these things, and I was only selling them for $5. So I think that's what killed it for me. I ended up donating them back to the thrift store that I got them from. So lesson learned, always check comps, always do your research, always find out, if the item even has a market. I mean, you got to make sure that people are actually interested in this stuff. Don't just assume because of the way it looks, oh, this is a cool item like I did, and this will sell like hotcakes, because just because you love it, that doesn't mean that everybody's going to love it, okay? But that's what I have for you today. That's what I wanted to share. Hope you guys are having a great day, and thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.